Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the flower on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So a flower is basically the center pieces are disoriented into some other, so it looks really beautiful. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is, you see the center? You're just going to bring the center up. So that you just bring the center up there. Then you want to twist this center horizontally so that the center goes to the right. Then you want to bring the thing that you moved up back again, and then you just want to connect it. So I'm going to turn it right there. So you have made a flower. There's many types of patterns that you can do to make a flower, because you can do it one way, you can do it the other way, so that it creates like different types of flowers. So if you want a blue and a white, you can do that. You have to just hold it in some special way. So now going back to how to solve the flowers, back to the original 3x3 position. So the center pieces, I'm just going to turn it to this. So right there, one, so that it creates this eye shape. Then I want to twist it either up or down, depending on, like, to make sure that it connects to this color, so that it's like straight. And then I just want to turn it that way so that it completes this color. And obviously the next move is just going to be bringing the middle down. So that's how you make the flower, guys. See you next time.